This summer, something extraordinary is coming to the beautiful city of Dallas, Texas. A powerful celebration of culture, tradition, and family. From July 23rd to July 26, 2026, Efik sons and daughters from across the United States and across the world will gather for one unforgettable experience. The 2026 Efik National Convention, hosted by the Efik National Association Incorporated at the beautiful Westin Dallas Park Central Hotel, 12720 Mary Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75251. Prepare for a weekend of vibrant cultural display, inspiring connections, laughter, music, delicious food, and rich traditions that unite us as one people. Reconnect with family, celebrate our heritage, create memories that will last a lifetime. And don't miss the highlight of the convention, the Grand Gala Fundraising Night on July 25th, an elegant evening of cultural display, tradition, food, music, fun, and celebration. Come dressed in your finest. Bring your family. Bring your pride. Join us in Dallas, Texas as we celebrate who we are. The 2026 Efik National Convention. One culture, one family, one unforgettable gathering.